Instagram's swipe up feature can be obtained easily to make people go into the link that you want them to visit just before 10k, and there is a easiest and a very wonderful trick behind it. Want to learn the trick? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, to get an Instagram swipe up feature before 10k, you need to have two of the videos for it. The one is the story, which could be less than 15 seconds, and the second one is an IGTV. So for that, let me shoot first of all a story for it. You can tap on this profile icon on the top left corner to record a story, just like this. So guys, just don't forget to swipe up to this video and get into the link so that you can know more about human and existential crisis. So when you're done shooting the video, you can save it by tapping on this downward directed arrow next to the mic icon on the top, so you can see it's being processed. Okay, so the video has been shaved. And now the next thing is you can go to your camera and shoot a video that should be more than 1 minute. So let me shoot one of the video for it. You can just get into the link I have just told you already. In my video, you're going to learn about human existence and existential crisis. So to know better lives about human and more, you can visit our channel. So after shooting a video which is more than 1 minute, you can shave it. So now you can go back to your Instagram. The first thing that you can do is keep the particular video of more than 1 minute on your IGTV at first. You can simply tap on this capture option with a addition sign inside a circle on the bottom center. And yes, it's a video that I want to post. You can tap on this rightward directed arrow on the top right corner and then tap on continue on the bottom, tap on next on the top right corner. So here, the most important part. Under this title section, you can just post here something like this. Click here to watch video and post this downward directed arrow. And under this description, the important part is you can just put the description of the channel or of the YouTube video that you want people to visit. So I'm going to post the link of my YouTube channel. When you're done, tap on post to IGTV below. So it's being posted, just wait for it. So that's an IGTV that I just posted. Now what you can do is the 15 seconds video that you had created through your story, you can tap on your story again, go to story and then search one from the library, tap on this 11 seconds video. So guys, just don't forget to swipe up to this video where you're telling people to swipe up. You can see here is a link icon next to the mic icon. Tap on this link here. After this, you'll get an option of swipe up link plus IGTV video. Tap on it. So that's it. That's an IGTV over here. Now you can tap on the stick option on the top right corner, and just when you're done doing all of them, you can post a story by tapping on this your story option. And so you have just successfully posted a story. You can see it's being loaded and it's posting right now. Just wait for it. That's a story that has been posted successfully. Now what you can do is I'm going to go to my next account and check if it's working or not. For this, I'm going to tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner and get logged out just like this. And I'm going to log in from one of my other account. So to getting logged into another account, I'm going to search for it. This account has a story that we had just posted before. Tap on story, and here below you can see an option of watch video. Here I can swipe up. You're going to learn about human existence and existential crisis. So it's an IGTV video, and on the top you need to tap on this click here to watch video. So that's it. Here is a link below. You can see that's the link of my channel. I'm going to tap on it, and just by tapping on it you can see that I'm on to my own YouTube channels, and now I can go and swipe up and watch all of the videos. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. So this is it. This is how you get swipe up feature on Instagram before 10k followers. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.